Welcome to the FlexScreen mesh trimming training video. Here we will show how to trim the excess mesh from the frame after the screen has passed through the final stage of the Urban automated line. Keep in mind that you only have about 13 seconds to complete this process, so you'll need to move as quickly and safely as possible. First, grab the mesh with your left hand. Make the first upward cut from the corner out with your right hand. Place the knife blade against the frame and turn slightly toward it. Then pull the mesh into the blade. Rotate and repeat until all excess mesh has been removed. Be sure to keep the blade firmly against the frame throughout the entire process to ensure a clean cut with no overhang. The operator is careful to avoid cutting the shrink tube. Apply the warning label to the lower right-hand corner on the front side of the screen.